Want to unlock Trulia like a pro? Let's dive into building and managing multiple accounts to maximize your real estate game. First, head over to Trulia.com. You'll want to use a different email address for each account you plan to create. Remember, Trulia's terms of service likely prohibit creating accounts solely for spamming or manipulating data, so keep your intentions above board. Locate the sign up button, usually in the top right corner. Click on it to begin the registration process. Now, carefully fill out the sign up form. Enter your first name, last name, and, most importantly, a unique email address for this specific account. Create a strong, secure password. After submitting the form, Trulia will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox, including your spam or junk folder, and click the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, log into your new account. Go to the account settings. You can personalize your profile, set your property search preferences, and manage email notifications. Spend a few minutes familiarizing yourself with the options. Repeat these steps using different email addresses each time to create additional accounts. Use each account strategically, such as saving different searches, tracking specific neighborhoods, or segmenting your lead generation efforts if you're a real estate professional. Remember to always adhere to Trulia's terms of service, respect their platform, and you'll be able to leverage multiple accounts effectively to enhance your real estate endeavors.